down in the streets, and they're busy building this building, that building. Eh. Okay, let me do a house tour very quickly because today actually we are leaving. This is the balcony, and this is the door to the balcony. So this is the Robert's room. This is the Robert's room. As you can see, his bag is right here. These are his bags. You guys been watching the videos. I hope you have seen. He has only those two bags. Most of the time when we are traveling, we are backpackers. We don't need a lot of bags because we are not going to the vacation and stuff. So, okay. And here is bathroom. Yeah. Here the bathroom. And I see he forgot this. Yeah, I forgot this. Put it here for him. Okay. So I'm going to show you my room. That's Robert's room. And there is a sitting room. This is sitting room right here. As you can see, he's busy with the phone. Yeah. Hello.
Do what?
You see? So this is our sitting room. And this is the TV where we are watching TVs. And this is another balcony. Before here, if you are going outside, and here is a view. You see, Rwanda, Kigali. So I'm just trying to be quick as much as I can so that at least because we are about to leave now. So I'm going to show you my room, which is number 9. My room is number 9. Let me turn on the lights and okay. Here the door. This is Wi-Fi. We have a big wardrobe. I have a table right here. A fan. It's a bit hot in Kigali. And this is the bed. This is the traveler's bag. You guys know my bag. Yeah, so okay. And this is the small bag that I'm always wearing on my waist or my chest, So this is my room. Okay. And let's see the view from outside. Ooh. Hey. Okay, so this is the view from outside. This is what you can see. And today we are traveling to Burundi. So I hope you guys will enjoy the videos and make sure you subscribe. Wow. And I do have this laser table and a chair. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this one has wheels. You see? The wheels. Wow. Okay. So, the name of this hotel, it's very difficult actually. And there is no names outside. I don't know what. They're just selling these houses online. So, here is what? My screen. Oh, sorry, my mirror. Yeah, hot shower. You see. And the price that we are paying here, the price that we are paying here, $30 per room per night. Okay, so this is the environment of the toilet. So I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, guys. This is my room tour, hotel room tour. Said the price is $30, actually US dollars per night per room. Yeah, that's the price. So anyway, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you for stay tuned with me. As you can see, I'm about to travel. Yeah. Goodbye, Kigali, Rwanda. Actually, because we are going out of the country. Hello. So, guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much for your love and support to WegMDC. I appreciate your presence. I appreciate your effort, your sharing, support, because I know you guys are sharing the videos to other people. Okay, see you next time to the next video. Let me say bye for now. Stay tuned because we are going to Burundi today. So I don't know what I can expect in Burundi because whenever I'm trying to Google online, there is nothing which is coming up. So we are just going just to fulfill our mission of traveling to the countries that we never traveled before. So just stay tuned, subscribe so that you can be able to get another video. You can be able to watch the following video because if you don't subscribe, that means you won't get a notification when I upload the new video. That's the meaning of subscribing. Yeah, and turn on the bell notification. Leave your comment below so that you can get to know what's going on. What's your view? What's your comment? Yeah. So thank you. Stay tuned. WegMDC. Bye for now. See you to the next video. Bye. Goodbye, Rwanda. And welcome to Burundi season. Stay tuned. So what's up, guys? We are leaving Rwanda. I'm with Robert here. We are leaving Rwanda today, heading to Burundi. And as you can see, we are using Rwanda Airline. Fly the dream of Africa. So guys, just stay tuned. I hope you guys are so excited to see the Bujumbura city, which is the capital city of Burundi. So just stay tuned. This is WegMDC. Watch out. Welcome to Bujumbura, the capital city of Burundi. This is the capital city of Burundi. But I understand because the country is too small. Because we are about to landing now. Maybe within 5 minutes we will be landing to the country. Bujumbura. Those are not buildings, it's a plantation. Makaburi actually, it's a graveyard. Those white dots, it's a graveyard. It's not a houses. But so far, This is Bujumbura, the capital city of Burundi. Ay. Eh. Bujumbura. Burundi.